I would just like to introduce one of its executive directors, Nicole Hurd.
Thank you, Ryan. Welcome, everybody. So a couple of framing comments as we get ready to watch this together. First of all, the most important people in the room are actually here in the front row. The students are here. So Javante, I can see you. Cadence, I can see you. Ebby, I can see you. Emily, where are you? Ahmad, Raven, I think you're all here. Could you stand up ahead of time and just take a bow for sharing your stories, for your current. And so much love to you and your families for sharing your lives with us over those, what was 5 years ago. Everybody's about to see how remarkable you really are. There's another person I have to say thank you to right now because he is why we all do the work we do. I truly believe we all belong to each other in these beautiful and profound ways. And I had the joy of starting the College of Eisenhower 15 years ago, almost 20 years ago now. And the whole idea, when I had this idea, was if we took recent college graduates and put them in under-resourced high schools, could they make sure we have more first generation, more low-income, more underrepresented students come into higher education, and could they grow themselves? Could they be the sparks that create fireworks? I want you all to meet our spark, who's now a firework, Mr. Cam. Cam? Cam, I've loved you for like 7 years now, and now the whole country is going to get to love you. So thank you for your light bulb. Want to thank the Deer Valley High School folks that are here letting us into your school to do this work. All the people that support our young people, thank you for showing up today. Let me just frame a little bit. Our student-to-council ratio in this country is about 460 to 1. Here in California, it's right at that number. We have to do better. In a world where we're talking about education in ways where it's not cutting, we should be enhancing. Our democracy, our goodness as people depends on education and educators. So when you watch this today, please tell your friends to go watch it on PBS and to remember we have voices and they matter.
Yes.
And this moment matters.
Yes.
And we matter. And believe me, our students matter. Couple more thank yous, and I'm going to have you receive this incredible art. Want to thank one of my partners in this. David came into my life, and I asked him if he'd help me on this journey to amplify our story. David, we're amplifying the story today because of you. I love you. Thank you for doing all this. Just like the great art that David produces, so do these other two amazing filmmakers, Jaye and Adam. You were relentless, you were brave, you were bold, you were filming in a pandemic, and you told a beautiful story, and now the whole world gets to see it. Everybody, Jaye and Adam Fenderson. And I'm just going to end on a personal note. When this idea to start a College of Eisenhower came into my head, and Ekaterina and some of the CAC families here, the Berkeley CAC families here, love you all so much. That I quit a job that felt very secure to take a chance, and then a husband of mine took a job so he could help raise our kids. Bill Hurd, this is yours too today. And I love you, Nicole. So, I'm now going to turn it over to Real Magic, but I just want to say two things as we go into this. One, education matters, and I hope when you see this today, it gets you a passion to use your voice. Like Emmy, and Javante, and Cadence, and Raven, and Emily, and Ahmad, and Cam use their voices. You will inspire us. And the other thing I hope you see while you watch this is we live in a world where people want to talk about division all day long. They want to keep dividing and tell us we don't belong to each other and tell us everything is wrong. I want you to watch this and remember the goodness. Every single one of us needs to hear, I believe in you. Cam, thank you for saying to all these students you believe in them. Let's believe in each other. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the class.